Chevy riding heavy out here, doing our car wash and barbecue. Got that boy Nate out here. What's up with it, Nate?
You want to call? Yeah, what's up? You want to call or anything?
Hey, baby.
Hey.
Got Miss Shay right here on the grill. What's up with it, B. Dorsey? Got that boy Jira. Yeah. Vice President Ray.
Hey, hold on. We actually out here working too. Yeah, we actually out here working. Yes, we is.
Already got these cars getting washed up.
I got my El Camino. You might want to go check it out too.
Got that boy Bobby. Here, Jose. Got that boy Bobby car out here.
I'm good on that, cuz.
Got that boy Jira car out here. Got that boy Jose El Camino'd up on them boys. Is you happy you got you an air coat, man?
Oh, yeah. Just a little process. I'm going to get this bitch right.
Already.
Understand me?
Chevy riding heavy coming to you, man. Out here washing these cars on up. You see us up here. That boy Eric, Miss Shay, Vice President, my wife. This is my car. That boy Ray. Don't worry about the paint. He coming to you. Chevy riding heavy. Sarge out here doing this thing, getting the car wash on. Where you at? We out here, man. Oh, I done got wet up. We out here, man. Chevy riding heavy, man. Holla at me.